Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Team Fortress 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Team Fortress 2 game, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your control settings, just click on the gear icon at the bottom section where it says Options. Now once the Options page is opened up, you will directly be taken into the keyboard menu. Here you will see all of the keys that have been assigned to the various controls. If you wish to make change to any of the keys, then simply click on it to select, and then click on the Edit Key option. This will now turn blank, and you are allowed to enter any key that you wish to assign. After you have pressed your key, click on the Apply button to save your changes. You can make changes to all of the controls within the game, and you may change the mouse settings as well. Once you are done with your changes, click on the OK button, and now you can start enjoying the Team Fortress game with your chosen control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Team Fortress 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.